Welcome to AAA Paver Sealing, your trusted partner for exquisite travertine tile sealing and restoration in Orlando. At AAA Paver Sealing, we understand the unique allure of travertine and are committed to bringing out its natural beauty. Our team of dedicated professionals specializes in the art of travertine tile sealing, ensuring lasting protection and a captivating sheen. Transform your living spaces with our meticulous travertine restoration services, designed to revive the elegance of your tiles. With years of experience, we've perfected the craft of enhancing and preserving the intricate details of travertine surfaces. Revitalize your outdoor patios or indoor floors through our unrivaled expertise in travertine tile sealing and maintenance. We use only the finest products and techniques to safeguard your travertine against the elements, keeping it stunning for years. Whether it's a residential or commercial project, our commitment to excellence remains unwavering in every travertine restoration endeavor. Discover the joy of gazing upon flawlessly sealed travertine tiles that exude sophistication and grandeur in every corner of your space. Your satisfaction is our priority, and we take pride in delivering unmatched craftsmanship for all your travertine tile needs. Experience the epitome of professionalism as we bring life back to your travertine surfaces, making them a testament to timeless beauty. Trust AAA Paver Sealing to be your partner in revealing the enchanting allure of travertine tiles in Orlando. Contact us at 407-392-0888 and let us unlock the true potential of your travertine with our specialized sealing and restoration services. Ready to transform your travertine? Visit AAAPaverSealing.com/travertine-tile to explore our services and book a consultation today. AAA Paver Sealing, unveiling timeless beauty for your travertine tiles.